Hey y'all, Jim Pankey here with a bluegrass classic today, the Pike County Breakdown. This tune has come up a bunch just recently in some jam sessions and places I've been, and I thought, what a great fun tune that I haven't shown y'all how to do yet, and it's got a neat right hand thing that maybe I'm going to show you something new and different, even if you've been playing a while. And then we'll do a fun little melodic lick up the neck because hey, why not? You know, it's a tune that lends itself to a lot of great ideas. Hey, if you like this sort of content, be sure to hit that like button and maybe leave a comment. Do you play this song? Let me know. If you would like to get notifications when I post new videos, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. All right, let's jump into this tune. All right, this starts off with just a basic kickoff. I do a pinch on 1 and 3, and then 4. So 4, 4, 2. So that sounds like. And then a slide from 2 to 5 with a forward roll. And then 3, 2, 1. Hammer like Foggy Mountain Breakdown. So that sounds like. And now we just need a G lick. The one I like to do here is just 1, 3, 2, 1 with a slide. So I'm doing 2 to 3, third string, 4, 1. So that sounds like. The 3 pinch. Slide 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, same lick, same thing as we just did. And then I like to slide up to this G position here. It's so we're gonna so 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 2. So that's just using that partial, G. And now we get to this single string bit that I know a lot of you may have struggled with, and I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with my right hand. It's definitely something a little different, and it's a new way of thinking about how to approach this right hand and how maybe Earl did it. The lick sounds like, and so that's all, pretty much all on the first string, and you have a multiple of choices on how to do this. A lot of people do it with their thumb and index. Some people do it with their thumb and their middle. But I'm going to take something that you already know. You know how to do an alternating roll. The alternating roll that you're familiar with is thumb, index, thumb, middle. And that's what I want you to do on this first string. Thumb, index, thumb, middle. And so the left hand is 3, 2, open, 3, 2, open. So thumb, middle. So thumb, index, thumb, middle. Thumb, index, thumb, middle. And then you're just going to slide. So that gives you a new way to think about that single string bit. So don't be thinking, oh, this is single string, this is something I struggle with. You don't. You learned how to do an alternating roll way back in the very beginning when you were first learning to play. So in your mind, I want your brain to switch over into alternating roll mode. You're just going to be doing an alternating roll on 1 string, 2 strings at the most, just for 1 note. I know you can do it. And I know it's a different way of thinking about it, but this is going to help you. All right, let's plod on forward, because the next thing coming up is going to be our little melodic lick. So you've done your single string lick, and then you're going to slide, and then Foggy Mountain Breakdown, 2 1 2 1 5 2 1 5, and we're going to slide all the way up to this G at 8 and 9, and that's just a forward roll, 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 1. Now slide back to your index is on the second string 6, first string 8, so 5 1 5 2. And then 1 is open. You're going to be sliding back to the first fret on the second string. 1 2 3 1, and you can kind of bend that 3 a little bit if you want to. Gives it a little bluesy sound. And then a 5 3 1 3 4 slide to 5, pinch, 3 2 1, hammer. Put your index down on the first string, and then the first string, G lick. Any will do, but this is the one I do. 3 2 1 3 4, pinch. Now let me walk you through the whole thing really slowly. So there you go, folks. A fun, kind of cool break to Pike County Breakdown with a new way of thinking about that right-hand single string bit. I hope this will give you the motivation to tackle this tune and throw it into your jam list. And if I see you out somewhere, let's do it. Let's pick it. All right, folks, we'll see you next time.